Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a wing liner look, which is colored wing liner. So I will be doing like a brown smoky with edge of colored liner. So let's get started. So before moving ahead, I would like to share this beautiful bag from Zook, which is a rounded shaped bag and is the printed with beautiful pattern on top of it. You can carry it with Indian as well as Indo-Western outfits, and I think it's a very versatile bag. You can use the code below to get 12% off on this bag. So shop now. And also you can check the link in the description box. I'm using these two concealers, one for highlighting and one for concealing. So I'm also using cream blush today, so let's do it before setting the makeup. I'm using the Pixie on the Glow blush. So this is the shade Fluid and I will be applying it, and it's so easy to blend, so effortless, and it's already dark, but I will blend it. And it gives a really subtle glow on the cheeks, which is so beautiful. It does not move even if it is not set. For the bronzing, I'm using Hoola bronzer today. I am using the brush that comes with it. I will just chisel my cheekbones and the jawline with this. So I've just applied it at the right places without moving the rest of the cream makeup. I will also set my makeup today, but very sparingly. So I will use the Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's almost over, and yeah, that tells me how much I love it. So I will just tap on the areas I need to set. By the way, I'm using the shade Fair, which is I think 01. Yeah, 1. It's the most finest powder, so does not look cakey and does not end up making your skin looking caked up. To prep my lips, I'm using the Mom's Co natural cherry flavored lip balm. I'll just let it sit before doing the lip makeup. Let's go with the eye makeup first. So for my eyes, I'm using the Jackson Hill, the Beloved palette. So I'm using these browns today for my eyes because I wanted to create that brown smoky. I'll start with the crease, neutral shade for the crease. Let's go with the deeper brown shade on the last row. This is like the perfect neutral dark brown. I'm starting with a very light touch, so I will kind of retouch again and again based on the kind of depth and the intensity I want. I'm also bringing it down on the bottom lash line. For the purple wing liner, I'm using the Plum Eyes Wear by Matte Liner, and this is in the shade 06 Everything Plum. So the wing liner has been done. Now I'm going with the mascara, and this is from L'Oreal. For the highlighter, I'm using this Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. I'm just like swiping it on the areas I need the highlighting on. I'm not using it like over, very sparingly on the high points. I'm using the combination on the lips, which is NYX lip cream in Beijing and Natasha Denona lip pencil in L2.